Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have replaced the coil packs of the Skoda Laura to APR ones. As you can see, the model number, everything is written, and this is the original coil pack of the car. So it says VAG group over here. So yeah, and there is no proper way to say if these coils were blown or not unless the car starts to misfire. But I've replaced them because the tune car, and with this coils the only advantage is it will last me longer time compared to the stock ones. But also these coils will help me put on a much more aggressive tune on the car if I want to. So they are stage 2 ready also. You can say stage 2, stage 3 the same coils go in the car, so it will last me longer time and put in a more aggressive tune, and that's why I've gone with the APR ones. So there are two options for this car. So first is the APR ones and other is the rep top coils from an Audi R8. But the only thing why I went with the APR ones is the Audi ones were ranging from 14k to 70. So I had no idea which one was genuine and which one was copy, because there are a lot of copy in the market of that coil. So I didn't want to mess with that. So I went with the original APR ones. They came in the APR box as well with the whole code and everything written. It's the same as the coil, so they're 100% genuine. So that's why I went with the APR coils. But yes, you can go with the Audi R8 coils as well. But the only thing is they look really cool, the red color, but once the cover is on, there's hardly anything you can look at the coils then. But still a good upgrade, and now I can proceed with other things like a intake coming up and an exhaust system that is shortly coming up as well. And then we'll wind up the stage 1 series of the Skoda, and we'll be moving on to the stage 2. That's it from my side guys. See you guys in the next one. Peace.